Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
The law of sines ambiguous case. How do we know whether one or two triangles are possible? In this example, we'll have angle A be 30 degrees, side A be 10, and side C be 16. Look at this side A, and notice that if we rotate it over and keep its length of 10, there's another possible place where angle C could be that looks like another triangle is possible. This is what we're testing. Since we know angle A, side A, and side C, we can use the law of sines to calculate what angle C should be. Using your calculator, you can come up with C is going to equal 53 degrees. This is the angle C that's in our picture right here. That means we definitely have one triangle. The question now is, does a second triangle actually exist? To find C2, all we do is take 180 and subtract the first C value that we found. This will give us a C2 value of 127 degrees. Now we check to see if that makes sense in our triangle. 30 degrees plus 127 degrees is 157, which means we've got a feasible second triangle over here. If these two angles added up to more than 180, we'd say a second triangle isn't possible. But because both scenarios make sense, we say two triangles exist.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.